Jeremy from Outdoor Pet, and today I'm going to show you how to build our 70-inch cat enclosure using just a ball peen hammer. Okay, the first step is to get a pole. These particular poles are painted black. Get your corner connector and just insert that in the top. Sometimes they gotta be hammered in a little bit. This one dropped right in. And you're gonna do that for all four of them. Then you need to take your other pole. These poles go across the top, so you just insert the connector into that top hole. Then you'll do it again. Then take another one of your legs and put that in one of the other corners. And your last pole goes into the other corner. Then you need to get your gate. In this case, I'm using the 17-inch gate, and get your 24.5-inch poles. These are the short ones. They go in the top. Very important at this point that you orient your latch correctly. If you want it to open in, or no problem, you turn it around if you want it to open out. When you have the front done, then you want to put your end poles in that complete the front part of the assembly. At this point, you get your 4 base units, and you need to put those inside of each of the corners. Then you want to make sure that your legs are all exactly 70.5 inches apart on the outside. Next, you can go ahead and take these J stakes and stake down the corners. Each corner gets 4 stakes. And after you get the net on, this is how you install the gate. Zip tie the net to the gate all along it, on both the inside of the gate and the outside. With these zip ties, you can go ahead and you can trim them off if they're hanging out too far. Simple scissors, just make sure that you don't cut your net. After you've zip tied it to the top and the bottom, you're going to go around and just cut in between the 2 pieces of the gate to allow your door to open. Now I'm not going to worry about cutting on the hinge side because that doesn't need to be separated. I'm just cutting on the latch side. Alright, and there you have it. You need to take your J stakes. These are 1 foot long and they go in pretty easily. I live in what used to be a river bottom. We have a lot of rocks when I'm digging out in the garden. As long as I don't hit a real big one, they go in real easy. After you have those all staked down, you just want to secure your ground edge about every 3 inches with the included U stakes. Those also go in really easy. If you need to and you have trouble pushing them in, just get your hammer and tap them the rest of the way in.